Greetings everyone, here I am again, and I will now create a single-page client application supported by the Recrogrid framework for an API application created in a previous demo. This application will visually display and allow editing of our Northwind database. I will create a new Blazor WebAssembly standalone application. Its name will be RGF Client. I'll be using the .NET 8 framework. The authentication type should be set to individual accounts as it will be needed later. I install the Recrogrid framework client Blazor UI package via the Package Manager console. This will provide a brief description of the necessary settings. With this block, I register the Recrogrid framework services and then initialize them in the program CS file. For easier usage, I add several namespaces to the imports Razor file. I configure the router to consider the RGF default routes as well. In the main layout, I place the RGF root component. All components used by RGF have to be placed within this. But for now, I only place the main menu and the body here. And finally, I prepare the API URL setting for the client. I am now providing the client's URL in the API cores settings. Next, I will set the API URL for the client. And with that, the client application is ready. I'll build it. And then start both the API and the client application. In the admin menu, I select the Menu Designer and create the main menu for the application. I set up a home link to navigate to the root page. Then, I create the Northwind menu and add some submenus for displaying entities. Let's say employees. Products. Orders. Categories. And region. Now, I refresh the page in the browser. The new menu has appeared, and I select Employees. And that's it. It's as simple as that. In less than 10 minutes, we get a foundation that a typical small team would spend weeks developing. But the truth is, this is just the surface. In reality, we're getting a framework that can save that team months or even years with its countless design or functional configurations, field-level permission system, or its data tracking system. You can download this sample application from GitHub, or dive in and create an application for your own database using the Recrogrid framework for free. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel to be the first to hear about new content. Thank you for your attention.